Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Ephemoire tutorial using her Framboise paper, and I will just show you that. I'm going to be using this lovely distressed pink raspberry plank wood print. That's the first one that I'm going to be using. And the second one that I'm going to be using are these wonderful raspberry crate labels. And I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be doing. Right, with these two sheets of paper, or should I say cardstock, I'm going to be using a vent cover, a magnetic vent cover, available from Home Depot, or this particular one I think was from Dollar Tree. Yes, it was. It has a very glittery, sparkly background. So that's that one. Alongside those two sheets of paper, I'm going to be using this Sizzix die set, which is a frame and also comes with an easel. And I'm going to be using a sheet of matte framing board, which you can get from Michael's or Joann's in the framing department, and you usually get the offcuts and they're free, but you never know what size you're going to get. So they could be sort of like 5 inches by 6 inches, and they could be 2 foot by 2 foot. You never know, but it's free and it's a wonderful thing to have because you can see just how thick and sturdy that is, if I can stop my camera from being blurred. Right, so with all these supplies, I'm also going to be using a set of strawberry dies from AliExpress, which I hope to make them look like raspberries once they're coloured. I will try to match this raspberry red here. And I'm also going to be using some teeny tiny magnets from AliExpress. And when this whole project comes together, it will be a magnetic kitchen board with an easel. I can either hang it on the wall or it can stand off to one side, and I'll be able to pin a little recipe there or a couple of photographs. And that is what I'm going to make. So first of all, I'm going to go off and die cut these, and I will be back. Hello again. I have now finished cutting my frame from that lovely pink plank paper, and I decided I wanted this as my main inner image. It's okay, I'm putting it sideways on here so that it fits in the camera for the moment. I've cut my piece of matte frame board, which will fit behind and make it solid. And I've also cut my magnet sheet, which will go onto that. So we've got the mount board, we've got the magnet sheet, we have the frame, which will be scored and folded around there, and then we have the image that will go on the top. I'm going to be using my lovely strong red line tape from AliExpress, and I'll put that together and I'll be back in a minute. So here it is. I've finished putting it all together, and I turn it over. You can see how nice and neat the back is there. This is a really nice die for doing all sorts of projects, as well as just as a frame for mounting photographs. But the picture mat board went down first, and then the magnet sheet, and then the decorative piece on top. And of course the frame was cut with that lovely distressed pink wood plank paper, and that's what I chose for the center. And just to show you that it is magnetic, there you are. And this is the die that I'm now going to be using to create a magnet clip that will go on there and hold notes. And this is the die, as I said, that I will be using. So I'll be back when I've cut this and I've adhered one of these teeny tiny but very strong magnets to it. And if I can lift that up off there, you can see just how strong those little magnets are. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back, and I used this die, but what I decided to do, rather than just cut it out in regular cardstock and colour it and run the risk of not being able to match the colours because I want them to match, I decided to use the die with the collage paper that I had left, and I positioned the little strawberry dies. So, okay, I'm trying not to be blurred, over the image in the collage paper, and I did that for the leaves and also for the hull of the fruit. So, and on the back, tiny little magnet, that's all you need, and there it goes onto its board, can be positioned wherever you want for little notes. It's stuck on there. Great little gift, finished nicely on the back. All that it needs is its easel. That would go down there. It can stand up, or you can use a crocodile and punch holes so that you can hang it on the wall. But there it is, a tiny little magnet board to put little notes, little photos, or a recipe or two. And I really hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Thank you to Ephemoire for the beautiful papers. Bye.